This is probably going to be the last day that this will look like this. We got them backing in with the bobcat to start punching post holes. So we'll give you a little bit of that as it goes on. The skid loader here, and it's ready to poke some holes for the posts. So we'll go on with that, and we'll do a little filming as that goes. And getting it all squared up. Shouldn't be too long till we start putting some holes in. Okay, so we're getting ready to dig the first post. See how that goes. Once he gets set up, I'll start filming again. Then I'll get set up. Said it was a little softer back there, so I think they started with what they knew may be the easier spot. It's going okay. Nothing to it, folks. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Got the outriggers on the back. That's cool. I've never seen one of these done, so this is all new to me. I'll film till the first one's done. All the rest will be the same unless they have some kind of unforeseen problem, then I'll grab the camera. Assume that yellow is the depth that they want to go, that's around the auger. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's done. I'll only come back if we have a problem on one of these. So that's digging the post holes. So they had all the holes pretty much punched. Well, they do have them all punched, but because of the shale that they've hit in the back, they're manually picking rocks out of these holes. I tried with my little backhoe, but just it didn't work that well. So, but all of them are in. As I said, the shale was a bad spot, a hard spot to try and get around. So there it is, the finished product of the hole poking. They had to do some manual work to get stones out of there and shale, as I had said before, with this terrible shale, but I guess we're ready for the next step. It's supposed to deliver materials today. And then I guess start Monday. They've been changing the schedule on me, so I'm not 100% sure when they'll actually be putting the poles in, but I'll keep you updated. Thanks.